Starting around 05 August 2023, Nexo essentially is exchanging at 64 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.28% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely critical. Nexo has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $359,304,723, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,728,898 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. This generally makes Nexo extremely positioning at 92 in the cryptographic money market, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023. What will Nexo especially be worth in 2023? Is Nexo a wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2023? Which generally is very huge. Will Nexo cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking? These sort of are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost especially is supposed to basically cross an extremely normal value level of 76 cents. The normal least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to explicitly be 72 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Nexo can, all things considered, arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 81 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Nexo essentially is estimated to be at around a fundamentally least worth of 61 cents. Showing how besides Nexo can for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 81 cents in a significant manner. The Nexo value worth can essentially arrive at a by and large limit of 69 cents, with the especially normal exchanging worth of 67 cents in United States dollars. Incredibly, Nexo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Nexo in a real sense is supposed to be at around a truly least of 66 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo cost can for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 72 cents, with the truly normal cost of 68 cents in United States dollars in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value expectation October 2023. The cost for Nexo in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 69 cents and 75 cents, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to be around 71 cents in a sort of enormous manner. Nexo value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo by and large is truly anticipated to by and large arrive at a sort of typical cost of 74 cents. While the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 78 cents and a very least of 72 cents. Especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Nexo really is supposed to basically be at around a genuinely least of 72 cents, which truly is very critical. Nexo cost can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally limit of 81 cents, with the sort of typical cost of 76 cents in USD. Nexo pretty past value examination, in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been generally diminished by 1.3% in its sort of current worth, truly further appearance. How Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo figure cost and specialized investigation, in 2023 the Nexo cost by and large is supposed to basically cross an in every way that really matters normal value level of 76 cents, the normal extremely least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the ongoing year. Ought to by and large be 72 cents, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we fundamentally analyze the genuinely current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, which essentially is genuinely huge. Nexo by and large is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The Nexo in every practical sense is down to nearly 2.3% over the most recent 7 days, which essentially is genuinely critical. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for exceptionally past truly couple of days. The coin could really have kind of solid basics yet. We don't basically feel that it would a productive resource in kind of momentary in an especially significant manner. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Nexo really diminished by 10.812%, taking out an incredible kind of normal amount of $0.078 from its exceptionally current worth, which truly is very critical. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be an essentially great in every practical sense purchase an open door for genuinely fast venture. Or so they in a real sense thought. The 90 days cost change especially is near 23.79%, and the cost basically circled from an in every practical sense least beautiful normal cost of 79 cents to truly most extreme really normal cost of 86 cents in the very beyond 90 days, which especially is genuinely critical. Nexo in every way that really matters is somewhere near 13.30%. With the greatest typical cost of the coin certainly was around 67 cents, and the in every practical sense least fundamentally normal cost of explicitly was around 65 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months. Especially further appearance how Nexo cost can sort of arrive at a truly limit of 81 cents, with the fundamentally normal cost of 76 cents in USD. Nexo, by and large past value examination, in the essentially beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been basically diminished by 1.3% in its in every practical sense current worth. Essentially further appearance how Nexo, value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost explicitly is supposed to generally cross a very normal value level of 76 cents, the normal in every way that really matters, least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the essentially current year. Ought to for the most part be 72 cents. Nexo value figure 2023 facts. What will sort of be Nexo certainly worth in 2023? Which sort of is very huge. The Nexo cost in every way that really matters is determined to basically arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of 81 cents, with essentially least cost of 72 cents, toward the finish of 2023. Does Nexo generally have a future? As far as value, Nexo fundamentally has a remarkable by and large potential to sort of arrive at new levels, exhibiting how the Nexo basically is down to nearly 2.3% in the kind of most recent 7 days in an essentially significant manner. It really is conjecture that Nexo will increment in esteem in a sort of large way. As per genuinely unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Nexo can truly stir things up around town. All goals and purposes, most exorbitant cost of $24.07 till 2030. As opposed to prevalent thinking, is Nexo exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Nexo's worth truly is supposed to truly keep on growing, as lack will in general, for the most part empower cost rise, which certainly shows that the 90 days cost change really is near 23.79%, and the cost most certainly flowed from a by and large least genuinely normal cost of 79 cents to genuine